Channel. This is a channel that has to do with our computer systems, in which we teach you tricks and tips on how to make good use of your computer system. You know, a computer system is a very complicated system that you need to know some certain things before you be able to acquire so many things on it. Now, today we'll be treating on what are the features you need to check on the computer system before you go out and buy one. You understand? When we're talking about the usage of computer system, there are so many things we use computer system for. So many things. In the sense that if you are trying to use it for gaming or for video editing, you will surely need a high-end system. Or if you are the type that use it for just office work, like typing on Microsoft Word, doing some calculation on Excel, and doing some presentation on PowerPoint, definitely you just need another system that does not have a very big RAM or the speed is low. You understand? Now, today I'll be telling you how and showing you how to check on the computer systems to buy. If you go to a shop and you need to buy a new computer system, what are the things you need to check to make sure you're buying the right system? Now, the first thing I would like to do is let's go to my computer and I click on my computer here. It will show everything here. This is my hard disk, it's almost full. Now, let's right click and check on properties. Once you have checked on properties, you'll see some minor information here, like the manufacturer, which is Techno, the model, the processor of the computer system, the RAM. The RAM of this very PC is low, that's 2 gig RAM. Definitely this kind of system can only be used for office work, like typing on Microsoft Word and doing some calculation in Excel, and as well doing some things on PowerPoint, as I earlier said, and make sure your Windows is activated. Now, another way for you to check if this thing works and your computer will be a perfect device to buy is when you come here. Let me just close this box. When I come to this place, then I'll type ms. Watch me as I type it. ms info. When you've typed ms info here, then you look up here, you see system information. Just click on it once. Once you click on it, it will show by the left hand side there, system summary, hardware resources, component and software environment. Now let me just enlarge the screen. When you come here, you see the OS, which is Windows 10 Home. You see the version of the Windows 10. The other OS description that's not available. The OS manufacturer, the system name, the name that your computer bears, the manufacturer of the system you are using, the model, then the type of, let's say the bit that is using this is using 32-bit operating system. Normally, it's always represented as AX86. Now, check out the processor, Intel Atom CPU, blah, 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 blah. You say 1.33 gigahertz. There's some ARM system that you say that will be having 3.0 gigahertz. You check the BIOS version and date, the SM BIOS version. There are so many things you can check here before you now make conclusion that this is the kind of system I want to buy. You see where the RAM is and everything. So you need to check on all these things and make sure that you are very content with the system that you want to buy. I hope I'll be able to convince you to be able to know the kind of system you want to buy when you go to a shop to buy a computer system. Please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. It's very important to us. We're trying to build a big brand, and your subscription and your liking of our video is very important. I wouldn't mind if you can share with your friends too. Thank you for listening and watching our video, and next time we'll bring you a very important tutorial for you to check out. Thank you. Bye.